Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless Pro 60th Anniversary Edition. We have the light gray hull color, which is all the way through, down underneath as well. You've got the stainless steel insert on the rub rail. The new smooth redesign of the hull goes down to the bow toe eye. And the new design of the hull has really increased the performance of the boat as well. The Pro Angler has the tower up there, so you got the upper station. You can drive the boat from up top, which is a nice little addition when you're looking for bait as well as the fish. As we come back towards the stern of the boat, we've got the power pole back here. You've got your trim tabs as well. You've got the jack plate for getting into the shallow waters, because the 240 gets into shallow waters anyways with the low draft. And it's powered by the Mercury Verado white 350. It is a fantastic motor. It's one of our best-selling motors. It's more than enough power to get this up on plane in just a few seconds. It'll get you pretty much anywhere you want to go. It'll take you offshore if you want. It does a perfect job. Let's hop on boat and see the rest. Here we are on board the 240 Dauntless, and let's start at the stern of the boat. If you don't plan on going fishing for the day, we've got it set up right now. We've got a couple of comfortable seats in the back. They're both removable. The backrests come up. The cushions just flip out like this. So if you want to fish and you have a convenient live well, very large live well as a matter of fact at the back of the boat. So as far as fishing, live well here, if you take this off, you've got a very large platform back here for fishing off the back of the boat. So as far as fishing is concerned, it does it very well. You've got the slide out Yeti cooler right here, which will put your fish in, give you a lot of storage, a lot of ice down fish, so it works out very well. Very comfortable two-person helm seat with the bolsters, which actually have an angle for leaning back a little bit different than they have done it in the past, which is nice. And then the Helm Station set up extremely well. You've got everything you need here. Got the smart craft systems for the engines, which gives you your temperatures and pressures and all that. You got the digital shifter right here. You've got trim tabs, all your rockers. You have a dry storage in here. You got a flat screen, touch screen, Marine, Fusion stereo, and the active trim gauge there as well. Boston Whaler traditional steering wheel. This is the standing pad for the tower, which we'll get to in a minute. So let's go back around to the front now, towards the bow. We've got a pretty good size head area. Plenty of room in here as far as changing. And let's move up to the bow. So right now it's set up very comfortably if you're going to go out to the beach or for lunch or that type of thing, just anchoring out. Both sides have a recliner here you can lower down. If you're not fishing, all these come up, all non-skid here, so very large platform for fishing. You've got the stainless steel, chrome plated handrails all the way along for support, all along the bow. Comfortable seat here for going for a ride, but if you are fishing, another live well. So you've got one at the back of the boat, one at the front of the boat. You've got rod holders. You've got two here. And let's hop up to the tower and give you a peek at what it's like from up there. Okay, here we are up on the tower, giving you a little bit of a view from up here. Nice addition to the 240 Dauntless. You're going to see it's very well equipped with just about everything that you had down below. So still have the GPS, still have everything you need up there to guide you safely with the upper station. It's got a nice seating area up here, so two people can sit up here very comfortably. And so there you have it. It's a fantastic new 60th anniversary edition for the 240 Pro, and they've just done one heck of a job. Looks great, runs great, does everything you're going to want it to do. So if you have any questions or would like to learn more about it, my name is Bob Freeman with MarineMax. My number is 603-213-1194. Talk to you soon.